Welcome to SVK video. Learn speak Russian. Учимся говорить на русском. Я. Ты. Ты. Вы. Спасибо. 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 Пожалуйста. 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 Извините. 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 Простите. 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 Да. 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 Нет. 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 Возможно. 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 Конечно. 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 Basic words. Please repeat after me, then read an explanation when to use the words. Я. Я is the same as I, used by a speaker in referring to himself or herself. Ты. Ты, same as you, used only with the family members and well-known friends. Вы. Same as you. It's used as a form of politeness to a person or officials, also when referring to more than one person. Спасибо. Спасибо. Спасибо is the same as thanks or thank you, used as an expression of gratitude, appreciation, or acknowledgement. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста is the same as you are welcome, used as a polite response to thanks. Извините. Извините. Извините is the same as excuse me, used as apology when addressing to unknown person, when need to interrupt someone, or request to repeat of what has just been said. Простите. Простите. Простите is the same as sorry. I'm sorry, used as conventional apology or expression of regret. Да. Да. Da is the same as yes, used in response to express affirmation, consent, approval, or give a positive answer. Нет. Нет. Нет is the same as no, used as a negative answer or an expression of disagreement. Возможно. Возможно. Возможно is the same as maybe, is used when you are not sure whether something is true or whether something will happen. Конечно. Конечно. Конечно is the same as of course. It used to emphasize agreement or confirmation.